I'm too damn young, already start to hate life.
I cry out for help, how come no one even cares? I wallow in my agony and everybody stares. How long till I wake up from this nightmare? I try crawling out this rut, but I really can't. I'm not strong enough and I really need a hand. The same damn mistakes, but I never understand. My sins keep repeating in the smallest time span. Shame in the nighttime, eyes to my blind side, waiting for the right time to gather all my strength. You think you're here for me? Get the fuck out my face. I'm here on my own, getting drowned all day. I've fallen too deep and I cannot be saved. Forever here I stand, I was bound by my chains. My soul's been sold and I become a slave. A slave, a slave, I become a slave.
From my head. God!